I could turn this on. Ooh! Good morning from the Cascade Mountain Trailhead here in the Adirondacks. We're hiking a high peak this morning, Cascade Mountain, for sunrise. It is currently 3 a.m. and I'm not doing this hike alone. I don't think you can see him. It's so dark. We've got, this is Chris.
Hey everyone.
It's his first high peak. It should be really pretty. You can't see anything. It's nice and dark out here. Like I said, 3:12 a.m. All right, we're about to get on the trail. Just wanted to show you some of the stats. 4.4 miles, 1,900 feet elevation gain. Cascade is arguably the easiest high peak in the Adirondacks, especially due to how short it is. But nonetheless, it is still a challenging climb. And we should make it up just before sunrise, which is at 5:50 in the morning. This is like my 5th or 6th time hiking this one. We're not going to go to Porter today because we don't have the time for that, because Chris has got an event later today he's going to. There we go. It is so quiet out here. Ooh, you can see my breath a little bit. So it's August 13th, but though it's August 13th, it's actually fairly chilly. We've come up on a stream here, flowing in the darkness of night. You can't see anything. You can see a little bit. And we're starting to kind of get to like the main point where it starts to get a little more steep. Just hear stuff moving all throughout the forest, which is cool, but overall it's like dead silent out here. Whew. I don't know if y'all can see it. I have steam rising off of my head. The temperature low 40s. And it's really like rapidly coming off me. Nice night in the forest. No clouds, the moon's out. We're about halfway through, so 2.2 miles up. We're at 1.1 miles. Number one tip, wear flip-flops. I don't know how people do that. It is now 4:58 a.m. Standing next to this gigantic rock. We're getting there, almost to the summit. 0.3 maybe away, miles. Making good time. Not a difficult climb this morning, I will say. It's been pretty tame, especially since it's just so cool. We've made it to the split. Cascade and Porter. Straight takes us to Cascade. Right takes us to Porter. You can see the sign maybe. 0.7 miles to Porter. All right, you ready to summit your first high peak, Chris? Is it?
Let's go.
It's the moment you've been living for your entire life.
Yeah.
All right, you can kind of see it. We're at the base of the summit now. It's all rock from here and very exposed, which is cool. You can see the sun starting to rise over there. There's also another hiker behind us. Here we go. This is it, Chris? This is it.
This is the top?
No, you're not there yet. You gotta find the marker. Where's that marker at? Here you go. Boom. Welcome to the club.
Number one.
The journey starts here. Cascade Mountain, August 12th or 13th, 2022. Starting to get kind of cold up here, so I'm going to throw on my gloves and a jacket. I've got a Patagonia Nano Puff on, and I have gloves on. Is that my shadow on that cloud? Okay, well, it went away just as quickly as it came. I'd say we're in the 30s, feel like, with the wind, at the very least. Like, I'm wearing these gloves. These are thin gloves, but my hands are cold. So that's gonna wrap it up from here, Cascade Mountain. I hope you enjoyed it, Chris. It was fun.
Great hike.
Now we gotta go back to the car. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hit like. I'll see you in the next one.